welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe, click on the notification bell just to get more info when I post videos like this, because you don't want to miss out. And put a thumbs up to the video if it was actually a big help to you. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 websites where you can create your Android app, or where you can build your Android app without coding. So you don't have to be a programmer to know how to build your app in this website. You don't have to learn anything about programming. You just have to follow the simple basics. But I'll be showing you how to use the apps to build, how to use the website to build your app in my next video. But today I'm just going to be giving you people a list of the websites. Although there are lots of websites where you can build your apps, but these ones are the ones that I use that are convenient to me and more easier for me when I use it. So I'm just hoping it will be more easier for you people. Although, just like I already said, I'm going to drop a video on how to use each website, so you don't want to miss out. That's the reason why you need to click on the notification bell, so that you can get the info when I drop videos like that. So without wasting your time, let's hop into it. So the first website on the list is Thunkable.com. Thunkable.com is a website where you can build your apps without coding. So it's a simple drag and drop app. All you have to do is drag on the tools and drop on your apps. That's how you create your app. So it's a drag and drop app. So basically you have to have an account with them. You have to sign up and create an account with them. I already have an account with them. So it's simple to use. You don't have to learn anything about coding. And when you're done fixing your app, by building your app, it's easy for you to download. Although I think you can actually use Thunkable with your phone. You can actually use your phone and create your app with Thunkable. But it's more easier for me. Just like this video here. All you have to do is just click on the features that you want your app to look like, drag it and paste on your app, and once you're done, you can click on download and scan the IQ code for it to download to your phone, or you can use your phone and build the app on your phone. Next app on the list which is the second app on the list, is Andromo.com. So Andromo.com is basically a website where you can actually create your app, Android app, safely. So in this website, there's actually a free version and there's a paid version. So it depends on which one you want to choose, although you have to have an account with them. So in the free version, you can actually start creating app from scratch. Just like Thunkable. In Thunkable, you can create your app from scratch. But in Andromo, you can choose to create your app from scratch, or you can choose to use the apps that were already created by the Andromo websites. You can choose the app that has already been created and add your own features, edit it, put your own features to it. So in the paid version, you have to pay to implement ads on your app. Like most of you people, you already know about Google Ad Mode and Google Ad. So I'll still do a video about those ones, how to do Google Ad Mode and everything about it. So in the paid version, you get to implement your ads, place your ads, monetize your app. But in the free version, you don't have the features to monetize the app, but you can create your app for free. You can still create your app and download your app, and you can see it work for you. So it's easy to use. all you have to do is once you're done creating your app, just click on download, wait for it to download, then you copy your app to your phone. So the third and final website is App Creator 24. So App Creator 24 is also the same thing with the other websites, but each website has different features. The only good thing about them is that you can create your app without coding. So I basically have an account with them. Just like I told you, I'll still create a video showing you people how to use each and every one of these apps, these websites, to create an app. So all you have to do is you basically have to create an account with them. Then you start creating your own app, add your features. If you want to create a web app, or you want to create a music app or a picture app, this is where you really need to go. You can also do it in other websites, and you can do it here. So in this one, you can actually get, there's nothing like a paid version. So you can actually implement your AdMo ad here, the Google ad here, for free without paying a dime. So that's one thing. That's one of the reasons why I like this website. And it works perfectly. The apps work perfectly, just like other websites. It still works perfectly. But this app works well for me. This website works well for me. Sorry. So all you have to do is create your account and start creating your app. Once you create your app, you can actually use your phone as well to create an app with this website. So basically, I think I prefer using my phone to create an app with this website, because once you're done creating your app with your laptop, with your system, then the only problem there is that you have to scan the IQ for the app to download to your phone. But once you use your phone to create the app with this website, you can basically download the app to your phone directly without scanning any code. So these are 3 websites where you can create your apps, your Android app for free, or your iOS apps. So I will still show you how to use each and every one of the websites. Although there are lots and lots of websites, these are the ones that are actually good for me, the ones I use that are actually not complicated, because a lot of people will find most of this website complicated because they don't know anything about making apps, nothing, they don't know. But these ones are simple to use, simple to understand. So if this video was a help to you, please like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you won't miss out when I post videos on how to use these apps, each and every one of these apps. You want to stay tuned so that you get what I really mean about it. And you want to stay tuned because it's really going to help you, especially if you have a business or if you want to promote your websites and you don't have an app, or you want to create an app. You really want to stay tuned.